If you've ever wondered how K-pop idols manage to have flawless skin all the time, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 20 K-pop idol secret skincare tips that they're hiding from normal people like us. More importantly, some of these tips don't cost a lot of money to try. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, double cleansing. Cleansing is not just normal everyday washing your face with water and shampoo that normal people used to do. K-pop idols swear by this method to remove all traces of makeup and dirt from their skin. First, you have to start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup and sunscreen, then follow up with a water-based cleanser to get rid of any remaining impurities. Double cleansing ensures your skin is super clean, which is essential for maintaining that fresh, glowing look. Remember, if you put makeup on every day, you also have to double cleansing every day too. So make sure to have oil-based and water-based cleanser product that you trust, or doing some research on trusting product that K-pop idols swear by. You can also make natural oil-based by yourself, but it's very hard to make and keep it. If you're struggling with money to buy a skincare product, you can check out my Money Looper channel where I teach people how to make some easy money from YouTube without showing their face. Tip number 2, hydration. A lot of people get the wrong idea about hydration when it's come to skincare. Being hydrated doesn't mean you have to drink a lot of water. That's good for your health in general, but that's not enough. When it's come to your skin, K-pop idol often use hydration product like water vibration and hydrating toner or essence to keep their skin plump and moist. When you go to store, make sure you're looking for products that contain hyaluronic acid or glycerin to attract moisture into the skin. The more hydrated your skin is, the better it will look, trust me. On the other hand, if you cannot afford hydration product, there was a cheap option that K-pop trainee do to help hydrate their skin. When K-pop idol is in the training period, the company will only tell them to drink the right amount of water and not too much, because they have dancing lesson to do, and too much water in the stomach will harm them when they're dancing. So K-pop trainee usually hydrate by eating fruit that contain a lot of water instead. Fruit not only helps you hydrate, but it's contained a lot of vitamin C and D, which also help you repair your dead skin cell. Tip number 3, eat for your skin. K-pop idols are all about eating for beautiful skin. A healthy, balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and water is key to achieving glowing skin. Here's some food that's easy to find that help your skin healthy and glow like K-pop idol. Avocado, green tea, nuts and seeds, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce, fish, and turmeric. But just as important as what you should eat is what you shouldn't eat. K-pop idols are very mindful of their diets, knowing that certain foods can cause skin issues like acne and pimples. Here's a list of foods to avoid if you want to keep your skin flawless. The first one is coffee. Of course, coffee is first on the list. While it's a go-to for many of us to stay awake, coffee is known to trigger acne in some individuals due to its high caffeine content. Dairy products like milk and cheese, don't eat them every day. Sweet food like cake also increases your insulin levels, so avoid them as much as you can. And some obvious food like greasy, fried foods, alcohol, and salty food is very bad for your skin too. Tip number 4, sun protection. You've probably noticed that K-pop idols always seem to have flawless, even-toned skin, and a big reason for this is their commitment to sun protection. UV rays from the sun can cause premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer, so idols never skip sunscreen, even on cloudy days or when they're indoors. K-pop idols often use broad-spectrum sunscreens with SPF 30 or higher to shield their skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. They make sure to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if they're outside for long periods. If you're on a budget, you don't need to buy the priciest sunscreen. Just make sure you find a product that works well for your skin type. For extra protection, consider wearing hats, sunglasses, or even clothing with built-in UV protection when you're outdoors. Also, don't forget about areas like your neck, hands, and ears, which are often neglected but are just as prone to sun damage. Tip number 5, go for lightweight products. When it comes to K-pop idols' skincare routines, less is often more. They tend to avoid heavy, greasy products that can clog pores or weigh down their skin. Instead, they opt for lightweight skincare products that hydrate and nourish without leaving a thick residue. This approach helps maintain a natural glow while keeping their skin feeling fresh and breathable. For example, instead of thick moisturizers, K-pop idols often use gel-based moisturizers or lightweight creams that absorb quickly into the skin. Look for products with water-based formulations or gel textures, which provide hydration without feeling heavy. These products are perfect for maintaining balance. Your skin gets the moisture it needs, but it won't become oily or sticky. Additionally, lightweight sunscreens, serums, and toners are also a go-to for keeping skin clear and comfortable throughout the day. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, lightweight products are especially beneficial since they won't clog pores or exacerbate breakouts. Switching to lighter, more breathable products can help your skin stay healthy, glowing, and ready for anything, just like a K-pop idol's skin. Tip number 6, keep it simple at night. When it comes to nighttime skincare, K-pop idols believe in keeping things simple and effective. After a long day of performing, practicing, and attending events, their skin needs time to repair and regenerate. Instead of using a complicated, multi-step routine, they focus on just 3 essential steps: cleanse, hydrate, and moisturize. First, they start with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or sweat from the day, ensuring their skin is clean without stripping away its natural oils. Next, they apply a hydrating toner or essence to replenish moisture and prep the skin for the next step. Finally, they use a thick, nourishing moisturizer to lock in hydration and keep their skin soft and smooth overnight. This minimalist approach allows the skin to heal, renew, and wake up looking refreshed and glowing. At night, it's all about giving your skin the time it needs to repair itself without overloading it with products. So, simplify your nighttime routine to these 3 key steps, and you'll wake up with skin that feels nourished, smooth, and ready to shine, just like K-pop idols. Tip number 7, toner. Toner is a key step in K-pop idols' skincare routines. After cleansing, it helps restore the skin's pH balance and ensures it stays hydrated and refreshed. K-pop idols use toners with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid to keep their skin plump and glowing. By adding toner, you're providing an extra layer of moisture, prepping your skin for the next steps. Don't skip this step if you want that dewy, youthful glow like K-pop idols. Find a toner that suits your skin type, and your skin will thank you. Tip number 8, sheet masks. Sheet masks are a K-pop idol favorite for a reason. They're packed with nourishing ingredients like collagen, vitamin C, and green tea, which help deeply hydrate, brighten, and revitalize the skin. Tip number 9, gentle exfoliation. Rather than using harsh scrubs, K-pop idols prefer chemical exfoliants like AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, or BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids. These gentle acids help slough off dead skin cells, promoting healthy cell turnover and revealing smoother, brighter skin. Unlike physical scrubs that can irritate the skin, AHAs and BHAs exfoliate without causing damage, leaving the skin refreshed and glowing. For a K-pop idol-inspired glow, look for exfoliating products that include these acids to keep your skin clear and radiant. Tip number 10, skin whitening for special occasions. K-pop idols often use skin whitening products for a temporary glow, especially during concerts or shows. This gives their skin a bright, radiant look on stage, which is why they often appear glowing under the lights. However, it's important to remember that this effect is temporary, and their natural skin tone is still beautiful. This tip is useful for events like parties or weddings if you want your skin to look flawless. Just make sure to choose a skin whitening product that matches your natural tone. And don't forget to apply it on your chest and neck as well. A famous example is when Nayeon from Twice forgot to apply whitening product on her neck during a show, which led to public criticism for looking fake. So for a seamless and natural glow, remember to blend it in all areas that are exposed. Tip number 11, regularly visit a clinic for pimple or acne removal. If you're struggling with pimples or acne, it's best to visit a professional clinic for treatment rather than trying to pop them yourself. K-pop idols often visit dermatologists to safely remove pimples and prevent scarring. Attempting to pop pimples on your own can lead to bacteria entering the skin, causing more breakouts or permanent damage. By seeking professional care, you'll get the proper treatment, ensuring your skin stays clear and healthy without risking harm. Regular clinic visits will help maintain smooth, blemish-free skin, just like the idols. Tip number 12. Focus on the neck and décolletage. K-pop idols don't stop at their face when it comes to skincare. They extend their routine to their neck and décolletage area, where the skin is more delicate and can show signs of aging first. This area is often exposed to the sun and environmental factors, which can lead to wrinkles or dark spots over time. To keep your skin looking youthful and glowing, make sure to apply your skincare products like moisturizers and sunscreens to your neck and décolletage. This simple addition to your routine will help maintain smooth, radiant skin all over your body. Tip number 13, use cooling tools. K-pop idols often use ice rollers or cooling globes as part of their skincare routine. These tools help reduce puffiness, tighten the skin, and give a lifted, refreshed look, perfect before a performance or photo shoot. Simply roll the cooling tool gently over your face for a few minutes to achieve a dewy, sculpted appearance, just like your favorite idols. Tip number 14, don't forget your lashes. K-pop idols also take great care of their lashes as part of their beauty routine. Using nourishing lash serums or oils like castor oil promotes healthy lash growth and ensures their lashes look voluminous and flawless during performances. Keep your lashes healthy by adding a nourishing serum to your nightly routine for a fuller lash look. Tip number 15, anti-pollution skincare. K-pop idols know the importance of protecting their skin from the harmful effects of pollution, especially when they're traveling or performing outdoors. To shield their skin from environmental damage, they use anti-pollution skincare products that help create a barrier against harmful particles in the air. Look for products that contain antioxidants or specific anti-pollution ingredients to keep your skin healthy and glowing even in the most polluted environments. Tip number 16. No touching the face. One of the most important skincare habits K-pop idols follow is avoiding touching their face. Touching your face spreads bacteria, oils, and dirt, which can easily lead to breakouts. This is especially crucial during rehearsals or after wearing makeup for long hours. To keep your skin clear and fresh, resist the urge to touch your face and always wash your hands before applying skincare. Tip number 17. Regular face massages. K-pop idols often incorporate gentle face massages into their routine. Massaging the face helps improve blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and enhance skin elasticity. By using light upward strokes, they relax their facial muscles and promote a lifted, youthful appearance. Try adding a few minutes of facial massage to your skincare routine for better skin tone and a healthy glow. Tip number 18. Invest in high-quality skincare products. While many of the tips idols use are budget-friendly, they also invest in high-end skincare products that deliver visible results. Serums are particularly popular, targeting specific concerns like pigmentation, wrinkles, and dryness. K-pop idols focus on finding products that balance their skin while addressing individual needs, so don't be afraid to splurge on high-quality serums for lasting skin health. Tip number 19. Take care of your lips. K-pop idols don't just focus on their skin, they also take extra care of their lips. They regularly exfoliate with gentle lip scrubs and use hydrating lip masks or balms to keep their lips soft and smooth. Many idols swear by brands like Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask and Vaseline Lip Therapy to keep their lips plump and moisturized, especially before performances. Tip number 20. Body lotion and hydration. Skincare doesn't stop at the face. K-pop idols also pay attention to their body. Using hydrating body lotions and creams helps maintain soft, radiant skin. Some idols prefer Necessaire body lotion, L'Occitane almond milk concentrate, or Aveeno daily moisturizing lotion to keep their skin smooth and glowing. Keeping your body hydrated is just as important as facial skincare, so don't forget to moisturize daily. So that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing if you found this video is helpful. Bye!